Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is JUnit. JUnit is a simple open source framework to write and run repeatable test. It is an instance of the XUnit architecture for unit testing frameworks. JUnit, originally written by Eric Kama and Kent Beck, has been important in the evolution of test-driven development. What are the benefits you'll be getting? Unit testing belongs to test a single unit of code, which can be a single class for Java. For example, here you have a method. This is your application class and you have some methods. So independently I want to test these methods. So independent, please remember this word independently. I want to test this method. If the call goes outside this method, you have to mock those calls, and you have to write test cases independently to test it. Okay, there should not be any dependency between the methods, and there is no use of JUnit. So JUnit, the intention is, for example, this method accepts some arguments and prepare something and return me something. So I'll be checking the expected results and what is the intention of this method. For example, if it parses an XML file, creates an object to me, so I'll pass an XML file, then I will be expecting an object. So independently it helps to test the methods, helps us to code and test both during the development. JUnit ensures that the modification of the code will not break your system without your knowledge. Any changes, JUnit will find out, okay, there is a problem. JUnit helps to test the legacy code. For example, before 2 years you have written some code and you want to test it now. Manually it takes a lot of time, but JUnit helps us to automate it. I have written a simple method called calc, which is going to calculate the factorial. If you pass if you pass less than 0 and greater than 12, you are going to get illegal argument exception, and otherwise you will get the normal values. So I have written a test class which all the possible. So for example, 0 if I pass what will happen, 1 if I pass what will happen, correct values, and if I pass negative value, I'm expecting an illegal argument exception, and if I pass 13, I'm expecting an illegal argument exception. So I try to write all the possibilities to test this simple calc method. Okay, let's see I'm going to run this test. So if you see here, it has executed all these 5 methods with all the combinations, and it's green bar. That means the all the test case have been passed, and looks like the code is covered properly. This is the purpose of JUnit test cases. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.